Hello, Logan. The skills that you gave pertaining to your marketing and sales of communication, trainability, consistency, and accountability, I think were great skills to have. And I think you explained them and gave a good amount of detail of why they're important. But this article highlights some of them and some more that you didn't mention. The first one is communication, which you mentioned. I think this is the main skill in this profession. It's a big topic, I think. Um, so you can see that they said the verbal communication is important, both for both positions, because you're speaking to potential buyers and those that do not. And then it goes on to say, since marketing is often a team effort, marketers must be able to communicate effectively within their own team and within their company. So I think that goes into the consistency part. You have to stay consistent with how you're communicating through your team and with your company. Um, this also goes into talking about public speaking, which I think is just like a branch of communication. But a part that I liked best that linked to, I think, your trainability skill was saying to look for opportunities to hone your public speaking skills by volunteering to take the lead on pitches, take classes or workshops, to join public speaking groups. So basically, I think that is just bettering yourself as a public speaker and being able to train yourself to improve that skill. So it goes on to other things, other skills like analytical thinking, creativity, negotiation, stress management, and technology. I think all of these are skills, and I think that with your four skills that you've chosen, I think that they pretty much all tie into each other somehow, and I think that you have a good grasp on what each one pertains to and what it requires.